everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, the official bonus trailer for Minnal Murli is here, and this is like pretty short, 1 minute only. I am glad that they have released a second trailer. Honestly, I'm really glad that they have released a second trailer. So yes, December, a lot of releases happening in December, both in the theaters and of course on OTTs. So yes, let's just watch this trailer right away and I will be sharing my thoughts. All right, here we go. What?
എന്താ വൈലി ഇപ്പൊ ഇങ്ങനെ പോക്ക്?
ഞാൻ പോവാ. നാടേ നശിക്കാൻ പോവാ. ജീവൻ വേണമെങ്കിൽ എങ്ങോട്ടെങ്കിലും പോയി രക്ഷപ്പെട്ടോ. എങ്ങോട്ടെങ്കിലും പൊക്കടോ. രക്ഷപ്പെട്ടോ.
നാട്ടുകാരേ ഓടി വരണേ. കടയ്ക്ക് തീ പിടിച്ചേ. നാട്ടുകാരേ ഓടി വരണേ.
നാട്ടുകാരേ ഓടി വരണേ. കടയ്ക്ക് തീ പിടിച്ചേ. നാട്ടുകാരേ ഓടി വരണേ. കടയ്ക്ക് തീ പിടിച്ചേ.
Guys, wait. Did you I am surprised. I am surprised. Why? Because this trailer, like, this is like a complete 180. It's like a complete 180 of what we saw in the official trailer, like the first trailer. This is also official trailer, but the first official trailer, like, this took a complete 180-degree turn in terms of the emotion that was portrayed, like the theme of the trailer. If somebody has to watch this, if somebody watches this trailer in the first time, for the first time, then the person might think that, oh, this is going to be like a super intense, serious superhero film. And then if you watch the previous trailer, it's like, okay, so freaking light-hearted. This is how I feel the trailer should be cut. Just showing absolutely two different sides of what the movie has to offer. Because if you look at the first trailer, you'll be like, ah, yeah, so much fun, Minnal Murli, yes, having his powers, experimenting it, and it's going to be like a fun thing. But this, oh man, I am really surprised. I am really surprised after watching. I did not expect this. This was the last thing, like this vibe, this emotion, the theme being so intense and dark. I did not expect this. No. This was surprising for me. Really surprising for me. So what made this trailer so cool is that there's not much dialogue. You see the visuals. Things are getting burned and stuff like that. And what made it stand apart is this guy, whoever is in the voiceover, says that please hurry up, come, the shop is on fire. Hurry up, come, the shop is on fire. And it just keeps repeating. The dialogue keeps repeating, and the intensity of the person's voice just keeps increasing. Like, initially he says, please hurry up, come, the shop is on fire, like literally pleading. And then the voice modulation, it becomes more and more intense. At the third time he says it, he's literally screaming. He's literally screaming. Wow. I like it. I like it. This was interesting. And like, for me, it's more surprising. I really did not expect it. And like, if you just go through the visuals, because like, it's so sad. People are just sitting, this like band wala, I feel. Like this shot, one initially, what is this? Look at this. Then like people fleeing away. So something happens, I feel like, from the villain's side. Like, you see Minnal, he gets jailed. I don't know, this looks pretty serious. And I think in this shot, this is the villain guy. I feel this scene could be from the final climax where this festival thing is happening and the villain is finally coming to sort of seek revenge or whatever to destroy this place. And because you see that this entire thing is on fire, the next shot, like people are hurt and it's still lit up. It's still lit up, and when Minnal comes down and he does that superhero landing, it's from this area only. It's from this area only. So this is where the final fight is going to happen. And I don't know, I feel that the villain probably blocks the exit or something, so that people are stuck over here. These are the scenes which I feel are from the final climax. Yeah. This kid is, I think, no more. Yeah. So these are all the scenes I feel from the final like fight and all. It's going to be so interesting because you guys told me that Basil Joseph sort of said that, no, not he. You guys told me that there was one interview that Jabby did with the stunt coordinator of this movie. I forget the name. I have not watched that interview, but you said that he said that the final fight scene is going to be something that we have never experienced. I read that in the comments. So, wow. I mean, it's just gotten me so hyped, and I'm just wondering what it is. And now I feel, looking at these stills, that there's some serious stuff going to go down, like while the fight sequences are happening. And you look at this expression of Tovino, he looks so vulnerable. He looks so vulnerable. I don't know, it's this rage and sadness in his expression. Like, the expression is so on point because you can see that he's angry and you can also see that he's like literally sad and grieving. I don't know if he's crying for that kid. I don't know if he's doing that. And because like the kid is no more, he gets all like, what the F, and I am just going to now end you, basically. It looks like that. Wow. I'm really like, please tell me in the comments, were you surprised when you watched this trailer? Huh? I am surprised. I am honestly surprised. I did not expect this sort of intense vibe. Wow. Okay. Yeah, well, I'm a little shook. Tovino looks amazing. Like, just this expression of his, I just paused it at such a nice, moment. Just so many emotions that you can see: rage, grief, sorrow, sort of wanting to take revenge. So many things. Wow, let me stop this. Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be great. This is gonna be great. So many great releases happening in December, both in the theaters as well as OTT platforms. This is gonna be great. So yes, that was the reaction to the official bonus trailer of Minnal Murli, and I think whatever promotional material they have put out, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. That they're doing a fairly good job in promoting this film, and I just hope that this gets Tovino the pan-India recognition that he completely deserves. So yeah, that was the reaction, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I will sign off from this video now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye!